The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for northern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Center County in central Pennsylvania, Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Cameron County in north central Pennsylvania, central Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, western Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:25 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Stevenson Dam to Chesterfield to near Bellwood to near Oaktown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Woodland and Lamar exits, specifically for mile markers 123 to 169. This includes Interstate 98 for mile markers 10 to 85. This snow squall will be near
north of Phillipsburg, south of Phillipsburg, Hill and
30 a.m. Spring Valley, Black Moshannon State Park, Queen, Tipton, Westport, Canoe Creek State Park, Birmingham, and Ski Gap aroundically from mile markers 123 to 160. Julian, Renovo, Stormtown, Fort Matilda, Spruce Creek, Williamsburg, and Franklinville around 8:50 a.m. State College, Tyner, Houseville, Park Forest Village, Glen Union, Pine Grove Mills, and Randallwood around 9 a.m. Other locations impacted by the snow squall include West Decatur, Connellville, Rainey, Spring Hill, Cassandra, Brisbane, Beach Creek, McConnelltown, Howard, and Petersburg. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights during snow squalls. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for northern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, eastern Clearfield County in central Pennsylvania, Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Center County in central Pennsylvania, Blair County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Cameron County in north central Pennsylvania, central Cambria County in central Pennsylvania, western Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:25 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Stevenson Dam to Chesterfield to near Bellwood to near Oaktown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Woodland and Lamar exits, specifically for mile markers 123 to 169. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 10 to 85. This snow squall will be near Kettle Creek State Park, Phillipsburg, North Phillipsburg, South Phillipsburg, Chester Hill, and Sandy Ridge around 8:30 a.m. Sinking Valley, Black Moshannon State Park, Queen, Tipton, Westport, Canoe Creek State Park, Birmingham, and Ski Gap around 8:40 a.m. South Renovo, Julian, Renovo, Stormstown, Port Matilda, Spruce Creek, Williamsburg, and Franklinville around 8:50 a.m. State College, Tyner, Houseville, Park Forest Village, Glen Union, Pine Grove Mills, and Randallwood around 9 a.m. Other locations impacted by the snow squall include West Decatur, Connellville, Rainey, Spring Hill, Cassandra, Brisbane, Beach Creek, McConnelltown, Howard, and Petersburg. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights during snow squalls. Band of heavy snow. Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Central Center County in central Pennsylvania, Western Sliders County in central Pennsylvania, Central Union County in central Pennsylvania, Southwestern Berry County in south central Pennsylvania, Northwestern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, Southern Tioga County in north central Pennsylvania. State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow Squall Warning for Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania, southeastern Potter County in north central Pennsylvania, southeastern Blair County in central Pennsylvania, until 10 a.m. At 9:13 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Gailton to Bolesford to near Everett, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect hazardous road conditions. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Snowshoe and Lewisburg-Williamsport X's, specifically for mile markers 152 to 200. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 170.
For mile markers 147 to 280. For mile markers 70
to 29. Locations impacted include State College, Williamsport, Chambersburg, Lock Haven,
Van of heavy snow squalls to impact travel through Lake Extensive.
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Central County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, Union County in central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Tioga County in north central Pennsylvania,
Southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania,
County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania. Specifically for mile markers 174 to 247. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 161 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 169 to 258. Interstate 81 between mile markers 1 and 81, and for mile markers 98 to 139. Interstate 139. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Center County in central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, Union County in central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Tioga County in north central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south Central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County in Central Pennsylvania, Jolieta County in Central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in South Central Pennsylvania, Lycoming County in North Central Pennsylvania, Montour County in Central Pennsylvania, Sullivan County in North Central Pennsylvania, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:04 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from Grover to near Snyder Midwest Ward State Park to near Doylesburg to 6 miles east of Hancock, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Lamar and Muskoka exits, specifically from mile markers 174 to 247. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 from mile markers 161 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 169 to 258. Interstate 81 between mile markers 1 and 81, and from mile markers 98 to 139. Bandit.
This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for Lancaster County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in Central Pennsylvania, Dauphin County in South Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Franklin County in South Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern Snyder County in Central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in Central Pennsylvania, East Central Perry County in South Central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County in Central Pennsylvania, Adams County in South Central Pennsylvania, York County in South Central Pennsylvania, Montour County in Central Pennsylvania, Eastern Sullivan County in North Central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in South Central Pennsylvania, until 1:15 p.m. At 11:07 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Sugar Run to near Mooresburg to Urban to Boiling Springs to New Rouserville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, whiteout conditions. Zero visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Limestone and the Muskoka exits, specifically from mile markers 220 to 247. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 219 to 295, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8, Interstate 81 from mile markers 35 to 139, Interstate 83 from mile markers 0 to 50, Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. This snow squall will be near Urban, Mooresburg, Reebok, Iowa, Iron Grove, Light Street, Jerseytown, and Lycus around 11:10 a.m. Leadkill, Klingerstown, Trevor, Williamstown, Waller, and Wardsville around. Snyder County in Central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in Central Pennsylvania, Union County in Central Pennsylvania, Perry County in South Central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding into all alert systems. During dangerous weather events, though a weather radio receiver will be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the tests may be postponed until the next good weather day.